Mighty oceans. Look at their power. They are unrelenting. They are always there. They come with force to hit the land, to hit the sands. They never cease. You find them day and night hitting the land. They always come back. They hit the sand and shores. They're not scared of anyone. They even hit mountains. They hit every rock coming on their way. They hit stones and pebbles. They're not scared of anyone. They think they're so powerful. They feel invincible and no one can touch them. No one can subdue them. Every time tides hit the shore, they think they're so powerful. But they forget they always go back. They come and go. But their arrogance never goes. That's the surprising thing. They know they have to go back. They're so proud and they think they are invincible. Look at these birds. The moment it dawns, these small tiny birds appear in the sky as the day breaks. You can see in this beautiful sunrise. As the sun rises, the arrogance of these tides is shattered. Birds flying over these mighty oceans mock at them as if they are saying, "Catch me if you can." The birds are not scared of these mighty oceans. Look all these tall buildings. They are made in the vicinity of these mighty oceans. Man has conquered these mighty oceans. He has built great cities very close to the mountains. Oh, mighty oceans, don't be arrogant.